Welcome to my cellar. I'm Matthew Fagan of winesandtunes.com, and in this video I wanted to follow up on the how to use the Coravin with a quick maintenance tip on how to clean the Coravin as well as how to replace the needles, because keeping the Coravin clean is really key to its operation. Now this is important. Do not put in the dishwasher or fully submerge in water. For best practices, just run some warm water through the spout of the Coravin. You should see water coming out through the needle. This will help clear any debris or dried up wine in the unit. It's important to do this on a regular basis. If you're using your Coravin daily, this is what you should be doing daily. When finished, simply dry off with a cloth. Every Coravin comes with a special needle cleaning device which is helpful for cleaning out any debris that might get into the needle. Now to remove the needle, all you want to do is simply counterclockwise turn it, let it drop down, and then pull up. Then we're going to take our special needle cleaning device and we're going to put it through the base of the needle and push it through to clear out any potential debris. Then we're going to thread it through the eye of the needle, kind of move it around to see if there's any other debris in there, back and forth. When you buy a Coravin, it comes with a standard needle, but you may want to consider one of these 3 needle kits, where it comes with 3 different types of needles: a standard needle, a vintage needle, and a speed pour needle. The advantage of the vintage needle is if you're using older wines with a little bit more delicate corks, it's a finer gauge on the needle. The advantage to a fast pour needle is it's about 20% faster because it has a little bit of a wider gauge. These needles can be handy for different uses. I'll have a link down below so you can check out how to get one of those 3 needle kits. To replace the needle, simply put down at an angle, then pop it up into position and hand tighten it, and you're good to go. Thank you for joining me in my cellar. I hope you found this video helpful, and please subscribe if you did. And if you have any questions, I look forward to answering your comments down below. Any other links and so forth will be provided in the comments area, and please visit winesandtunes.com for more helpful wine information. Cheers. See you in the next one.